In this video, you'll learn how to remove Google Calendar from Calendly. This process involves navigating through the settings to disconnect your Google Calendar integration effectively. Begin by accessing your Calendly account. Once you are logged in, look for the left sidebar on your screen. In this sidebar, locate and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This action will direct you to the Integrations Management section. After the Integrations page loads, you will need to locate Google Calendar. You can either scroll through the list of connected apps or use the search function to quickly find it. Once you see Google Calendar, click on it to access the settings for this integration. Upon clicking Google Calendar, you will be presented with the details of your connected account. Here you will find options to manage the connection. Look for the button labeled Disconnection or the phrase Remove Connection. Clicking on either of these options will initiate the disconnection process. After you click to disconnect, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This prompt is a security measure that asks you to confirm your decision to remove the integration. Make sure to read the prompt carefully before confirming your choice. Once you confirm the disconnection, your Google Calendar will be successfully removed from Calendly. This means that any scheduled events or syncs with Google Calendar will no longer occur. It's advisable to check your Calendly settings to ensure that the disconnection has been processed correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.